Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, speakers, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the edges of the display panel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: the right and left edges of the display panel are held in place with adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. It may be necessary to use a non-metallic flat-bladed tool to aid in the removal. Close the left display panel hinge and remove the display panel cable from the left hinge cover. Lift the display panel off of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.